How to add video and photo to one Instagram story. Welcome back to Let Me Help, and let's jump right into the video. Starting off, you need to launch your Instagram application. Make sure that your application is up to date and you are logged in into your app. Tap on your story option. Now firstly, we have to select a video that we want to post in our Instagram story. This is because the collage currently does not support video and photo in one. So firstly, we'll select our video and arrange the placement in our story. Then tap on the sticker icon. From here, you have to navigate the option of photo and select the photo you want to upload. Next, select the shape of the photo. Then arrange the position of it in your story. Once you are happy with it, you can just tap on your story to post. Now wait until your story is posted. Mind it will take a while depending on your Wi-Fi connection. Now once it is posted, it's gonna look something like this. You can add music or any other photographs as well. It is a quick and easy process. However, if you face any of the difficulty, exit from your app, press and hold onto it and head to app info. Force stop it, head to storage and cache, and clear up the cache. This is to fix the bug issue. Check out your Play Store or App Store and search for Instagram. In here, if there is an update, leave it for an update. And that's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.